Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. With the holiday season upon us, here's a brush that's sure to put you in the Christmas spirit, the candy cane brush. It's a brush that mimics a 3D candy cane effect that you can use for lettering art. It's a dual brush, so I'll teach you how to create each one and combine them to achieve this look. It's simple and quick, so let's get started and make this brush. Start with a square canvas. I'm using a 3000 by 3001 that I've created. Turn the background color to pure black. Drawing with pure white. Let's use our monoline brush and draw a perfect circle. Fill in the shape and center it. Duplicate the shape twice. Tap on the first duplicate and choose Invert. Tap on the second duplicate, tap on the Move tool, and reduce the size of the shape. Center it. Tap on the Adjustments tool and choose Gaussian Blur. Swipe right slowly until you reach 50%. Tap on this layer and choose Clipping Mask. Tap on the Move tool again and offset the layer to lower right corner. Now we have our shapes. Let's make our brushes. Hide the two top layers, swipe down on the canvas with 3 fingers, and choose Copy All. Tap on the brush icon, choose the brush library, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Properties Spacing to 5%. In Stabilization, set your preferred streamline settings. Here are mine. In Shape, tap on Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, then choose Paste. Tap Done twice to save selection. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to None. Set Tilt to 0 degrees. Finally, in Properties, under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to 150%. That's our first brush done. Let's go back to the canvas, hide the first layer, reveal the second and third layer, and copy canvas. Go back to the brush library, duplicate the brush we just created, and go into the brush settings and make a few changes. First, let's go to Shape and paste our new shape. Then, go to Grain, tap on Edit beside Grain Source, tap Import, then choose Source Library. From the selections, choose Diagonal. Before exiting, tap on the canvas with 2 fingers to invert the black and white values, then tap Done. With grain behavior set at moving, set scale to 40% and zoom to 50%. In rendering, set rendering mode to light glaze. Finally, in color dynamics, set stroke color jitter secondary color to max, color pressure saturation, brightness, and secondary color to max also, and color tilt secondary color to max as well. Now that we have our 2 brushes, let's combine them by having this pattern brush highlighted first, then swipe right on the brush below it and choose Combine. Use the brush by selecting your candy cane color first, usually white, then choosing your candy cane stripe color second, usually this deep burgundy color. If you find your candy cane stroke shadow is too deep, go back to your canvas, duplicate the blurred shape, recopy the canvas, and repaste your shape. Adjust the opacity of this duplicated blur layer until you reach the effect you like. And there we go! A festive and fun calligraphy art brush to add some holiday flair to your work. Hope you enjoyed creating with this one. Thank you all so much for the support, and until next brush, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!